So question 13, figure 1 shows a right angle triangle XYZ where YZ is 8 centimeters. So this is 8 centimeters. Figure 2 is formed using 4 such right angle triangles like this. The perimeter of figure 2 is 96 centimeters. XY is 6 centimeters shorter than the length of XZ and YZ. Find the area of figure 2. So what we need to know is XZ over here, because the area of figure 2 is basically 4 times of figure 1 area, and figure 1 area is basically half times base times height, which in this case is half times zy times the zx in this case, right? So we need to find both xz or zx and zy. So we know zy already, so we need to find z or xz, xz and yz. So from this statement, xy is 6 centimeters shorter than the total of xy and yz. So xy is equal to xz plus yz minus 6. Okay, we know yz over here is 8, so we just going to simplify this. So xz is still unknown, plus yz is 8 minus 6, which should then be equal to plus 2. So xz is basically plus 2 of xy. Okay, so we also know that from here, the parameter, I'm going to highlight this in red. So this, and this, okay, over here, all this thing is 96 centimeters. So parameter of figure 2 is 96. Okay, so from here, we know that xy, right? In this case, let me put this in purple. So xy is purple, 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 and purple, right? So xy is in purple. So figure 2 is equal to 4 times x, y, and plus. So figure 2, let me just make it a little bit easier. 4 times the purple line plus 4 times the red line, which in this case is, I'll just put as 4 red lines. So that means 96 is equal to 4 times of this purple line plus 4 times of the red line. So we can actually divide 96 with 4. So that means 96 divided by 4 is equal to 24. So that means 24 is equal to 1 times the purple line plus 1 times the red line. And the red line, it's basically this whole exact over here, xz minus 8. And we know that xy is equal to xz plus 2. So that means 24 is equal to purple line exact plus 2 plus exact minus 8. So this will give us 24 equal to 2 of exact plus, so 2 minus 8 will be just minus 6. So that means if we go to plus them by 6 on each side, this will then give us 30 equal to 2xz. So 1xz is equal to 30 divided by 2, which is 15. So now we know what's exact, which is in this case 15. Then we can have figure 1 area, which is basically half times base times height. In this case, half times 8 times 15. This will give us 60 centimeter cube square. So figure 2 area is basically 4 times of figure 1 area, which in this case is 4 times 60, and this will give us 240 centimeters square. So the answer is 240 centimeters square. Okay, pretty hard question, but yeah,